We will explain you the different vehicle categories, and if you are interested in one special category, we have some chapter marks below, so you can jump right into your chapter of vehicle category you would like to see. Generally we separate two categories. It's the camper van, it's a complete car built from the inside out, and the motorhome, it's a chassis where the cabin is built on top. At Satellite we call the camper vans Cliff, and it appears as a normal transporter or van. But what it makes to a camper van is the window or the awning, or in this special case, the pop-up roof. One of the pro arguments for the camper vans is it appears a bit smaller, so it drives a bit more compact and easily through the traffic in the city. In a camper van, the bed is typically at the end of the car. It has one pro argument: you can flip it over and load huge and long things like surfboards or bicycles. In the front we have the kitchen and the bathroom, and here in the living area we have the table for dining and also the two swivelable seats. The low profile of the motorhomes is here, and as you can see, the sidewalls and the roof is completely built on our own. So we integrate the chassis into the living area, and this makes it possible for us to optimize the furniture in the living area. This type of vehicle is available in short to long. And also we have huge garage in the rear where you can put bicycles and everything in. As you can see, this type of vehicle appears a bit wider, so we have more space in the inside. You can also get this car with an extra felt-down bed, so you have sleeping space for 4 people. On the A-Class of the motorhomes, even the front is built by us. And on the inside, everything behind the driving seats is pretty similar to the low profiles. This car offers the most comfort of living area. The biggest advantage of this car is in the front, because the living area is totally integrated, so you have a big feeling of a living area. This type of vehicle allows it to put down the felt-down bed and still sit and eat and using the door. So people can have fun here in this area, and also you can lay there and relax already. The Couchbuilt has its very own appearance with the dome above the driving seats. This offers a second bed, always built up and ready to sleep. This may be one of the reasons why this car is especially loved by families. One of the great values of this vehicle is the big standing height, and you can also fold up the bed a little bit so the space gets even bigger. This was it. I hope you learned something about the different vehicle categories, and thanks for watching.